Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Dunk Low, Desert Ochre and Midnight Navy. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Premium skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, Brazil size 42, 28 centimeters. It's also in a women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the Midnight Navy, Desert Ochre, Sail, Midnight Navy colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside, and let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Dunk Low, Desert Ochre and Midnight Navy. And let's lift out the left shoe first and setting the box to the side as we focus in on it. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look at the skateboarding shoe. And now let's take a closer in look at the details of the shoe so we can see the color block design with the Desert Ochre in the front part or toe box and mudguard area of the shoe. And you can see the nap of the suede as well, and the stitching detail and perforations on the toe box. And as we move towards the back, you can see that it does have a Midnight Navy or textile fabric quarter midfoot area, and that extends all the way to the back, and even the Nike swoosh is blended in and layered with that same detail. So giving you a close-up look right there. And taking a look at the back, you can see the embroidered Nike in Midnight Navy as well on the heel tab. And moving towards the inside of the shoe, we can see the same details right throughout with the weave design of the textile midfoot and quarter, and of course the back or heel area. And as we move towards the front again, we can see that medium coarse suede nap covering the front upper of the shoe. And now taking a look from the front to the back or tip or toe of the shoe, and slowly moving our way towards the back, we can see the lace design as well as the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro rectangular patch on the tongue. And of course, let's flip the laces towards the front so we have a look around and behind the tongue. So the tongue is very heavily padded, as you can see, very plush and chunky and firm. And if we look at the back, we see the Nike branding and information about the brand and other details. And taking a look at the ankle collar and heel collar of the shoe, we can see very heavily padded or bolstered as I squeeze on the sides and towards the back, where it does thin out slightly directly at the heel, but still very heavily padded just before it and around it. And let's lift out the paper stuffing that's inside of it so we can have a better look at the inside of the shoe. So right there we can see the sock liner just about, or insole, and material sticker, and of course the inner labels as well. So if I can just pop that label out slightly so you can see the details on there. And with the tongue, there is a little special feature with the tongue. As you can see, there is a slider with a pull tag on it, or pull tab. So if we pull along the slider along the zipper, it reveals a pocket, so a hidden compartment with what you can see is the foam insert of the tongue in a mottled blue on neon green. Okay, so that's the maximum opening of the slider right there, to give you a look at this hidden tongue pocket or compartment. So just fingering the tongue right there so you can see the depth and details of that hidden zipper pocket. So zipping it back up, and of course giving you a closer in look at the pull tab with its very fine detail right there, small and unobtrusive. So right there are the details on the inside of this Nike SB Dunk Low Desert Ochre and Midnight Navy. And now let's take a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. So you can see that it does have that sail or off-white color, and in the middle a Midnight Navy Nike SB branding. So taking a close-up look at the sole of the shoe with its traction pattern, and of course finer details with the stitching as well on the edge of the outsole. And to give you some sense of the rubber sole, just tapping on the various parts of it and dragging my fingertip along its surface to show you the tread blocks and the overall firmness. And grippiness of the sole. And now let's go ahead and do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's pliability, flexibility or softness and firmness. and just popping it back into shape again. And now let's take a look at the right shoe, so setting the left shoe down and bringing the box back in frame. And popping the right shoe out of its box. And giving you a look at the right shoe of the Nike SB Dunk Low Desert Ochre and Midnight Navy. And let's do a 360 rotation. So once again you have a full and clear look of the shoe. And taking a look at the close-up details of the right shoe. So once again we see the Desert Ochre suede front area of the upper, and of course the textile or fabric mid and back areas of the shoe. And same details continuing right around and back towards the front again. And of course the laces with the diagonal light blue against that midnight navy colouring. And taking a look at the tongue. So the tongue on the right shoe does have the same hidden zipper compartment as well, so right there, opening it up. And you can see once again on the inside to store your belongings. And of course, taking a look in the inside, we see a pair of Desert Ochre laces. They're giving you a sense of the colours with the colour block design, front and back, Desert Ochre, Midnight Navy, and this time around we have a slightly better look at the insole of the shoe. So right there, some details as best I can with what I've got in this setup. Okay, and as well taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, we see that same design throughout. And now let's take a look at the pair together, side by side. And from the front to the back. And directly from the back and at the soles or bottoms of the shoes. So that's the Nike SB Dunk Low Desert Ochre and Midnight Navy. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!